Just pulled the top part of the shell away to reveal the body. So what I'm gonna do now is get all that crab meat out. Oh my God, look at this crab meat. So all these little pieces, they get torn away. Do not want those. And they're on both sides. And it gets messy. It's a little bit of meat. And be careful not to slice the heck out of your hands on these things, because they'll cut you, and they'll cut you good. And as I say that, I almost cut myself. Basically, I'm going to keep going and get all the intestines and all the stuff you're not supposed to eat. And I'm gonna clean that out. And take out that crab meat. Like, some right there. That white meat right there is the stuff you want. And sometimes it looks yellowish, but yeah, you got all these tiny little leg-like things you want to remove completely, because you don't eat those. unlike a lobster, where you do eat the legs, because there's meat in lobster legs. Okay, so before I go cutting the crap out of my hand, I'm gonna go concentrate on getting me some crab meat later. Oh, and the ice cream that came with the lobster. Oh my God. I got diabetes. All right, later.